Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on maintaining your Thermomix TM5. Today, we will cover several critical maintenance tasks that ensure your appliance runs smoothly. Let's get started. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need 1. A screwdriver set, preferably a Torx screwdriver for the screws. 2. A clean, soft cloth for internal cleaning. 3. A replacement blade if needed. 4. Lubricant for the potentiometer. Now, let's start with the locking system. To access it, you need to unscrew the bottom cover of the Thermomix. Use your Torx screwdriver to remove the screws securely. As you do this, remember to keep the screws in a safe place to avoid misplacing them. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the cover is off, carefully inspect the locking mechanism for any signs of wear or damage. If you find that it's not functioning correctly, this is the perfect time to replace it. After replacing the locking system, ensure that it clicks into place securely before reassembling the cover. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Next, we will move on to the potentiometer. This component controls the speed of the blades. Locate the potentiometer inside the unit and gently clean it with a cloth. Apply a small amount of lubricant to ensure it moves smoothly. If you don't have the right tools or feel uncomfortable doing this, remember, no calls, no travel, we can handle it all for you. Now, let's address the motor. If your Thermomix isn't operating as it should, it might be blocked. To unblock it, first, disconnect the appliance from the power source. Check for any obstructions and carefully clean the motor area with a soft cloth. If you notice any persistent issues, it's crucial to consult with a professional service. You can request a quote before repair to avoid any surprises. Next, we're going to replace the blade. This step is vital for maintaining optimal performance. To remove the old blade, simply twist it counterclockwise. Once it's out, clean the area thoroughly before installing the new blade. Make sure to secure it tightly by twisting it clockwise. Finally, let's attach the handle. Align the handle with the designated slots on the Thermomix and press it firmly until you hear a click. This sound indicates that the handle is securely attached. Ensure everything is tightly fastened before plugging the appliance back in. In summary, regular maintenance of your Thermomix TM5 is essential for its longevity and performance. By following these steps, you can ensure your appliance remains in excellent condition. If you need assistance at any point, remember that we offer professional services including pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to maintain your Thermomix without the hassle of calls or travel. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.